This is a drill video for Core English Level 3, Lesson 1. Drill Video 2. Describing things. Listen to the first sentence, then repeat it with the describing word in the correct location. It is a cat. It is a big cat. That is a house. That is a white house. I have a phone. I have a new phone. This is a bag. This is a black bag. That is a book. That is an interesting book. It is winter. It is a cold winter. I see a building. I see a tall building. That is a street. That is a long street. It is a table. It is a small table. That is a car. That is a fast car. Good. Now, add two describing words. Sequence of the describing words doesn't matter. It is a cat. It is a big black cat. That is a house. That is a white old house. I have a phone. I have a new, expensive phone. This is a bag. This is a small blue bag. That is a book. That is an interesting, short book. It is a winter. It is a long, cold winter. I see a building. I see a tall, modern building. That is a street. That is a long, quiet street. It is a table. It is a small, round table. That is a car. That is a fast red car. Very good. Now carry on and do drill 3,